is up? Welcome to another banger. I'm talking about a banger on the Air on the Move YouTube channel. We got the videos, they coming back to back to back to back. I'm trying to drop one every week, at least until we get some freaking snow so I can do a snow ride. But now we back in the garage. Jason gave me crap about my last video. I know I need some lighting in here. We'll get it eventually, but for right now we working. All right, so this video, y'all seen the title, y'all seen the thumbnail. We are putting our tether on here. David, he hit me in the comments on the last video. He's like, gotta get your tether on. I know. I was nervous about it because I don't do this electrical stuff, but actually it was pretty simple. I looked on the forums and everything worked out good. But remember, last video, we dropped the merch. It's a good one right here. OG TRX on here and the good old T-Rex. I call it the OG TRX, the OG Warriors on here and the TRX. So hit the link on that. Also, shout out to Michigan Outlaws Cross Country ATV Racing, Michigan's premier series. Check them out. Join us. It's going to be a blast next year. We already got some tentative dates for the season, so we're ready to go. But real quick, I'm just going to show y'all how to put a tether on your 0405 Trx450. It might be different for the 06 to 14. I think it is because the wires are different. But real quick, so you got your factory kill switch thing there. You're gonna follow your wire down and you'll find it'll go to this connector here. It'll be buttoned down in here. I've already got pretty much everything on. I just gotta clean it up. You're gonna look for, there's gonna be a black wire with a white line on it. That's the wire you wanna tap into. And for the Tusk one, I'm not sure if it matters which one you hook into it, but I did the longer wire. I just buttoned it up into that line. And then your shorter wire, you gotta ground it. I got it grounded to like a little frame bolt here. But it's literally that simple. You hook it on there. I've already tested it. She works great. You pull it off and she starts. Well, she'll cut off. But here, I'll show you guys real quick what it looked like when you start it up. Bike's cold. We'll see if she can start. Might take a couple kicks. She's still choked. Give her a little gas. And she turns off. That easy. It was a quick 5-minute job. I just got to clean it up, mount it on the bars. But I'm gonna relocate my key and my overheating light, so I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with that. But as far as putting the tether switch on, that's a wrap for this video. Remember, check me out on Instagram right here. It's where you're gonna see it first. And it's riding season. Well, it's not riding season, it's almost riding season, but we're getting ready for it. I'll see you guys next time because we got a box over here. We got a box. Ignore my messy garage, but y'all already know what that is. Spider Graphics. There's a little sneak peek of what it looked like. Number 11. It's gonna be a movie. Remember, the link for the merch gonna be down in the bio. Check that out. Till then, I'll see y'all later. Peace.